Good morning, dear students. A marvelous Monday for you all. Yes, my dear students, how are you? I am fine. Okay, a fresh morning, a fresh Monday, you all. Yes, no? Yes, because we can have there is no online classes Saturday and Sunday, so you given rest for your eyes. Yes, no? Yes. Today again will come our routine work. So today in social, the third chapter in history. Okay. So this is also one of the chapter for your term 1 exam. So the third chapter in the history we are going to see. Yes, in the previous chapter, in the second chapter of history, what you learn? New kings and kingdoms. How the new kings and kingdoms arised in the India in medieval period. Yes, no? India means in the subcontinent in the medieval period. Do you remember, children? Yes. What and all you remember? The new kings, Prithviharas, Gujaras, and Palas, then Chauhans, that is Chahamanas. These kings we remembered, okay, and how they came to throne. That also just you remember, okay. That Dandi Durga was a leader in the kings, okay, leader of a Samanta, okay, under the Chalukya king. Then later they did the golden womb, that is Hiranyagarbha, and they got more power because of the ritual. Then they came as a king, okay. Like this, the Samanta declared that when they get more power, they declared themselves as the kings, okay. So after that, we saw that Prithviraj Chauhan was a powerful king in the Chahamana rulers. Yes or no? Yes. After the Prithviraj, okay, and also we saw that Rashtrakutas, Dandi Durga, Rashtrakutas, Palas, Prithihara, Gujaras always fight among themselves. Because of that, there was a chance the other persons invaded our country. Okay, so today you're going to see Sultans of Delhi. Here, children, we can see Sultans or Sultanate. Okay, Sultanate. But mostly we use the word Sultans. Okay, so here, Sultans of Delhi. Okay, how these people came to our country and how they got the throne, how many years they ruled everything. This happened in the medieval period. Okay, this lesson explain you these things for you. Okay, yes, listen, finding out about the Delhi Sultans. Before we want to know about the Sultan, how we can find about these people? As usual, the historical sources help us to find the persons, that means about the past. Okay, yes, in this chapter, the Delhi Sultans, you just take your book, all of you, page number 30. Yes, take a look at table 1. Delhi first became the capital of a kingdom under the Tomara Rajputs, who were defeated the middle of the 12th century by the Chauhans of Ajmer. Okay, here in page number 31, there was a table given in your book. Just go through it, all of you. Yes, you go through it. Tomaras, early 12th century, and Angapala, that is 11th century. Chauhans, that is 11th century. Prithviraj Chauhan, he also 11th century. Then early Turkish rulers, okay, when the Turkeys entered to our country, when? Qutbuddin Aibak, 12th century. Shamsuddin Iltutmish, he also in 12th century. Razia, he also in 12th century. Then Ghiyazuddin Balban, 12th century. Then Jalaluddin Khalji, that is Khilji, Halji. 12th century. Then Alauddin, Jalaluddin after Alauddin Khilji, 12th century. Then Tughlaq dynasty. See, these were the sultans. Okay, Ghiasuddin Tughlaq, 13th century. Muhammad Tughlaq, 13th century. Firoz Shah Tughlaq, 13th century. Then it turned into Sayyid dynasty. Kirkan, okay, that is 14th century. Then Lodi dynasty. Then Bahul Lodi dynasty, that is 14th century. These were the people ruled over the subcontinent before the sultans. Okay, so after these people, the Turkey people, after the sultans came to our country and they ruled our country. Before it, you just reason in your book, yes, that Tomara's Rajputs, they only kept their Delhi as their capital at very first. Okay, then many Jaina merchants lived in the city and constructed several temples. Coins minted here called Delhi Wall. Okay, later you will listen in this one. Okay, yes, you just go through the table again. Here, Prithviraj, Delhi first became the capital of Tomara Rajput after defeating the Chauhans in the middle of the 12th century. Okay, Tomara Rajputs is the mixed Rajputs. After they defeating the Chahmana kings, they got the place Delhi and they kept the Delhi as their capital. Okay, yes, do you understand, children? Then later it became an important commercial centers. 5 important dynasties ruled over Delhi. Okay, yes, before that Delhi, Lodi dynasty, Tughlaq dynasty, Turkish dynasty, we saw, no, that is. Okay, here later it became an important commercial center, means a lot of persons, that is Jainas, Buddhists, they came and settled in the Delhi and they started to build more temples, that is Jaina temple and Buddhist temple, and also they make the Delhi as important trade sector. Okay, so much of people came to that place and they started their own business. That also, because of the density of population, these place, that is the Delhi and around its place, became more popular among the people, and also because it was a important commercial centers. Okay, the transformation of Delhi, transformation means what? It's changed its positions or its surroundings. Okay, the transformation from the olden on to new, that is called transformation. The transformation of Delhi, a capital that controlled vast area of the subcontinent, was the foundation of the Delhi Sultanate in the beginning of the 13th century. Okay, in the 13th century they captured the Delhi because Delhi was the important place in those days. Then the Delhi Sultanate built many cities in the area. Yes, that we know later. Okay, what are the monuments built by the Sultanate in the Delhi and around its area? Then coins called Delhi Wall were minted here. Okay, coins, these coins were Persian, have the Persian language. Yes, children, yes, and you take your book, kindly go to page number 30. Okay, then in that book they given a map, you just see it, selected as Sultanate cities of Delhi 13th and 14th century. Yes, children, do you understand how the Delhi in before? Yes, it was ruled more than 5 important Turkeys rulers, that is Khilji dynasty, Tughlaq dynasty, Sayyid dynasty, Lodi dynasty and Sultanate. Okay, before it the Tomaras Rajputs defeated the Chauhan kings and they captured the Delhi area. Yes, how we can find out about the sultans? Okay, inscriptions and coins and architecture and histories in the Persian language provide detailed information about the Delhi sultans. Okay, so normally the historical things, what is the historical things? Historical sources help us to know about the past. Okay, here also inscriptions and coins and also the architectures and histories. Okay, the histories means here they are saying Tariq and Tariq. Okay, that they are saying this two. Tariq means in the plural and Tariq means it is in the Tariq it's singular and Tariq in the plural. Okay, Tariq singular, Tariq plural, written in Persian, the language of administration under the Delhi Sultan. Okay, yes, the coins and the inscriptions, architecture and also the histories in the Persian language provide the informations. Okay, here you should know about two important words, that is Tariq and Tariq. Okay, Tariq means singular and Tariq means plural. Written in Persian language, we know from this about the what they are ruling informations about the Delhi Sultan, their administration informations. The authors of Tariq were learned. They have many secretaries, administrators, poets and courtiers, while both recounted events and advised rulers to govern, emphasizing the importance of just rulers. Yes dear, you please wait. What they are saying, here I am giving taken on another one is, yes. So what they are saying here, that that from this inscriptions and the coins we should know about the Delhi Sultan's administration. Okay dears. Yes, till this what you learned. Okay, after the new kings and kingdoms, that is the Rashtrakutas, Palas and Prithihara Gujaras, after these dynasties the Turkish people entered to the subcontinent. Okay, that people we divided into so many clans, that is dynasties. Okay, clans or dynasties. After the Rajputs, the Chauhans, the Chauhans succeeded by the Rajputs. Then the Rajputs, after the Turkish people entered to our subcontinent, they are Tughlaq dynasty, Lodi dynasty, Sayyid dynasty and after the Sultans. Okay dear, please you wait in this slide. We will continue for the next 15 minutes. Wait children.